Back at the project where the water was going under the driveway, I'm digging down right here. I'm going to actually take some plywood and make a form right here across and backfill it with dirt. Took the chop saw and cut a 3x3 hole here in the center of the drive, and we ended up having to rent a hammer for the skid steer because the concrete was 12, 14 inches thick for about 10 minutes to bust a hole through here. But as you can tell, it's a little washed out under the driveway. It's kind of hard to see exactly how bad, but there's a very large cavity under here. So I knocked that out. We're going to clean this up and kind of see all the way through. Back a concrete truck up here and dump a whole 10-yard load of flowable fill in here, and then determine how much more we need. So that should flow in every little nick and cranny. Fill that up. Hopefully it all won't flow out the back, but we'll determine that when we start pouring. And we'll fill it up with about 3 or 4 inches from the top, put a little asphalt on it, and call it good. Backfill the front with some clay and pack it in. That should be somewhat of a good patch. Besides, short of digging all this up and redoing the whole road and dam, which would be a little out of the budget, I think.
Getting higher over there.
You can see it. Well, 18 yards of concrete later, it's full. Get some asphalt and patch that. It's full from the pipes to the road, to the end of the road. And we just dump whatever's left was right there. And we're going to clean that up a little bit when it sets up a little bit. Well, this is no longer a cavity. We'll get some asphalt in a bag and patch that and tamp it in. Get some dirt and backfill it and a little rock. It'll be good as new. So we got everything filled up. Got our hole patched back with asphalt. And we got our riprap put back on the front side. So it's going to look like it never happened. Ended up putting 18 yards in that hole right there, and it flowed all through here and filled in all the cracks and holes, and hopefully that'll seal it off. Gotta put the guardrail back up.